Deep inside God's promises, from beginning to the end. Let's learn the books of the Bible.
Come and sing along, my friend.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth,
1st and 2nd Samuel,
1st and 2nd Kings,
1st and
2nd Chronicles,
Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther.
God's story never ends.
Job, Psalms, and Proverbs, Ecclesiastes,
Song of Songs,
Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations
comes along.
Ezekiel and Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah,
Nahum, Habakkuk,
Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. God is always speaking.
Listen as we try.
Matthew, Mark, Luke,
and John,
Acts tells what
they've done.
Romans, Corinthians,
1st and 2nd, here we come.
Galatians, Ephesians,
Philippians, Colossians,
learning step
by step,
growing strong in faith. Thessalonians 1 and 2, Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, and Peter.
1st and 2nd,
Keep it going. John's 3 letters, don't forget, Jude and Revelation.
altogether 66.
God's great revelation.
We love God's word, we learn each name from beginning to the end.
Sing it loud, remember strong. Let His truth stay in your heart. 66 books,
One big story,
walking every day with Him. Sing again and keep on learning. Let the journey now begin. Woo!